Whoa. Oh, do you have a baby? Juliana, where's Ken? Yeah, there's a Ken. Julien, can you find that? Can you help? Stop eating your finger. You're going to start eating your finger. Where there's supposed to be a car? Is there gonna be a car? See, no, you almost break it. Get out there. Well, you see it. Okay, just help daddy then. Just make sure there's numbered though. Okay. Everybody's assembling. Juliana, don't step on it. Okay, ask Julien to open it. Make sure the numbering though. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do this now. Hi, girls. How are you, girls? No, they're playing. Just Grandma and Jeff. Oh, wow. There's a baby bed. Oh, step number one. Okay, so make sure put them, Juliana, put them in that swimming pool. Oh, what are those? Oh, okay, you can. Oh, like yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, let's put it on top of the. Julien, look at the top of that thing. You see. Oh, oh, put it here. There's the cup. Okay, don't break anything.